What interested me in participating in the YST program would probably be just working with my hands. Just sitting at a desk does not sound like fun for me. So I just like to be active and doing something other than sitting.
The thing that interested me most was probably I would get to experience other things other than just sitting in a classroom and just watching videos on engines and actually being able to go out and work on them.
The program is helping me by showing me things that I didn't get to see before, going in, different hours, working overtime, getting to see the welders, how they're doing things, what it's like, going to college, going to DCTC, doing interviews, all kinds of good stuff that I didn't get to do before.